In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 steps to making $1,400 or more in a day with a done-for-you online business. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk, and I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started my online business because my company cut my pay in half, and I decided I never wanted to get another job because I don't really like jobs. I don't like being overworked. I don't like being underpaid. I don't like having to take orders from people and all the things that go along, all the restrictions that go along with jobs. I don't enjoy it, and most people don't. I've heard that 80% of people don't like their jobs, and 70% of people are living paycheck to paycheck. So I want financial freedom, which is why I started my online business, and I made thousands of dollars with this business so far, multiple 5 figures. Of course, this is a legitimate business. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Everything's based on your effort. So results aren't typical. Don't be typical, right? So now I'm going to break down how this business works and however you like business basically works, okay? So first, let's just talk about how every business on the planet operates, right? Step number 1, you have an offer. That's the thing that you're selling. It can be a product, it can be an opportunity, or it can be a service. It can be a digital product or a physical product. I prefer digital products, right? So the offer is the thing that you're selling. And what I love about this business compared to most other businesses is the fact that we earn 100% profit. See, most people are doing affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing, which means they don't earn 100% profit per sale. Businesses on average only earn around 10 to 30% profit per sale, which means you're selling other people's products or whatever, and you're splitting your commissions with other people. Right here, we earn 100% profit because we have master resell rights, the digital products that you don't even have to create, okay? Step number 2, you need a system to automate your business, just like Amazon, right? You go to Amazon, you just click, you buy stuff, and they send it to you, and it's fully automated, okay? So you have an automated system, right? So basically this is how it works. Someone clicks on your link, they go to your capture page or your landing page, whatever you want to call it, and they put their email in. So you're building your email list. The money's in the list. The bigger your email list, the more money you're going to make, okay? So they put their email in, then they watch videos. The videos are doing the selling for you. So even though you're selling things, you're not the one doing the selling, okay? So they're getting videos from you, and then they're getting emails from you. And the emails are doing the follow-up, the fortunes in the follow-up. So instead of having to get on the phone with people and cold message strangers and stuff like that, and slide into people's DMs and have awkward conversations, you don't do any of that here. The emails are doing the follow-up for you, okay? And then it sends people to the website. They can go to your website or your sales page at any time and buy from you, okay? That's how an automated business works. Now, every business on the planet, either they have a website that people go to and they buy stuff, or if it's an offline business, they have a storefront, right? Okay, and step number 3 is your strategy for getting customers. Now, there's basically 4 strategies. There's paid ads, there's warm outreach, there's cold outreach, and there's free content strategies, okay? So we teach you the free content strategies, which means you just got to post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. You can also go live, okay, on social media. That's what we teach. You can also post free ads, and then you just go through some training. There's training in our program, so you just go through training, and that's it. That's what you need to do. So basically, I just post content, I go live, I follow up with messages, and then I go through training. The training is just going to help you get better with your content, with your marketing, and with your mindset, okay? So this is how this business and every business on the planet works. And now I'm going to show you what this business looks like. I'm going to share my screen with you. But if you want to learn more, just go to 7figuremonk.com. Okay, there's a link in my bio. Just go there and check out the details. Enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. And there's a PDF. You're going to have free access to this PDF, the Freedom Formula Blueprint, that's helped create over 126 figure incrementers in the United States inside of our community. It's created 4 6-figure incrementers in Canada, 1 millionaire in Canada, and it's created 25 millionaires in South Africa, because this is a global business. So we have people from all over the world. You can get customers from all over the world. This business is in English and Spanish. So just go to the link in my bio, check it out, and if you have questions, just reply to my emails, okay? You can unsubscribe at any time, so there's no pressure. Now let me share my screen with you and show you how this business works, okay? Well, this is my YouTube channel, but let's go to the business, right? Now this is the website, but before people get to the website, they're gonna go through this sales funnel, okay? So you have this done for you online business done for you sales funnel. You just got to set it up, and you can set it up in like 1 to 2 days. It took me a few hours to set up this business. Okay. You just watch videos and it shows you how to set it up. So basically what happens is people go here, they click on your link, they go to this page. It's going to look just like this. It's called a capture page or a landing page. Capture page because we're capturing people's emails, right? So they put their email in, you're building your email list, okay? And then they're gonna go and watch one of these videos. This is the thank you page. This video is doing the selling for you, and then you can see there's wins from our community. So all the words, the videos, everything's doing the selling for you, right? Here's another video we sent out to people's emails. So there's 2 videos, there's actually 3 videos. So these 3 videos, there's one on the website too. So like people can click on this button, right? And it'll take them here to the website. Now this is your done for you website. And this is what we're selling. We're selling digital products in the e-learning industry, specifically digital programs. So basically this is a live interactive training program that teaches you how to build an online business, teaches you digital marketing, and it teaches you how to build multiple streams of income. Okay, so we got 3 types of buyers. Who's going to purchase one of these programs? Anybody, like the first one is like a business owner. They want to learn digital marketing. They want to learn how to attract more customers. So they may purchase a program. The second type of buyer is somebody who wants to learn how to create their own offers and market them, because we teach people how to do that. So that's the second type of buyer. And the third type of buyer is just somebody that wants to make money. They just want to make money by reselling the programs and maybe learning how to, create multiple streams of income. But mainly they just want to resell the programs and make money like that. Okay. So there's 5 programs, 5 in English, 5 in Spanish. They sell for 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. So there's different options for you or your customers. Because it's a one-time investment, I also invested. All you got to do is purchase one of the programs, and then you pay your website fee, and then you have instant access to everything. And then you have a done for you online business. Plus you have access to all the training, and you have access to our community of 58,000 people, more than 59,000 people actually. So unlock your income streams today and earn 100% profit from a done for you online business. Okay. So basically you're just promoting an online business, plus you're promoting education and training and a live interactive training program for people that are serious about making 6 and 7 figures, because these programs were designed to help people make 6 and 7 figures. Okay. So like there'll be payment buttons on the website. People go here, they purchase, and as soon as they purchase, you get paid instantly through your payment processor like PayPal, Stripe, Square. You just connect your payment processor to your website, and we show you how to do that. And so you get paid instantly directly to you. Okay. So if you don't have an online business, this is the best thing. This is like honestly the best thing that I've seen out there. I've tried so many different side hustles over the years and nothing worked for me. This is the only thing that's even worked for me. And it's better than anything I've tried. That's all I can say. How would an extra $1,400 per day change your life? Think about it. That's $42,000 a month and $511,000 a year. So there's 3 videos that are doing the selling for you, right? This system is working for you behind the scenes 24/7, okay? So we have over 56,000 people in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months collectively as a community. And we teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. And then we have a certification training that you can go through, okay? And if this business is also in English and Spanish. We teach you how to use AI. And yeah, there's testimonials on the website. And this is your bio section. You see, this is me. I'm in Florida. I'm in the Bahamas, and my bio is here. So you put your pictures there. You put your bio there. And yeah, and this shows you who is this for. This is for you if you want to make extra income, you want financial security, you want to work from anywhere. It's not for people who expect guaranteed results without effort. It's not for those who are unwilling to take action. It's not for people who don't want to create any content, because you basically got to create content to build your business, okay? Things like that. Why does this process work? This is a process of reselling other people's products. Just like Verizon, they resell Apple phones. So reselling other people's products is not a new thing. It's been around forever. Many businesses do that. Why is this business model better than others? Because we earn 100% profit. Like if you're doing affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing, you don't earn 100% profit. And you only have to work 1 to 2 hours around your schedule, so that you don't have to put a lot of effort into building this business. Okay, more testimonials. Okay, and then here's where people can purchase the $1,400 program, the $900, the $600, the $300, or the $100. Okay, so there's 5 different options to get started for you and your customers. So if you or your customers want to get started, all they have to do is purchase one of the programs. pay their website fee, and there's also payment plans, so it's super affordable. And all you need is one sale, and you get your investment back, and your business is free. And then we have these bonuses, like you get access to our community for free training and coaching and mentoring, accountability. Okay, we teach you all these other bonuses, like how to create your own community, Canva crash course, my first million in 17 months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing, and you get 200 digital product ideas PDF workbook. Okay, you get all those bonuses. All right, so that's basically the website. So let's say you decide to start this business, you decide to start an online business, and you purchase one of the programs. You'll have access to your program inside of Kajabi. Okay, so here's your program. You just go through the program, start here, and you can see all these different phases. The first phase deals with mindset and clarity. The second phase deals with attention and building awareness. Okay, like what is attraction marketing or promoting really mean? What is attraction marketing promoting really means versus selling? Okay, why knowing who your perfect customer is matters. Storytelling, like, so all this different stuff you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn all about digital marketing and mindset and how to attract customers and build an online business. And there's all these different trainings, and we also add more trainings. Okay, leveraging AI made easy. All kinds of things you're gonna learn. Okay, these programs were designed to help you make 6 and 7 figures, because the person who created this program, she said that these programs are specifically designed to help you make 6 and 7 figures. Okay, so then all your bonuses are here, your certification trainings here. And one of the first things you need to do is set up your website, right? So like, for example, you just go here and you just watch all these videos. It's going to tell you what accounts you need to open. You just go through, you follow the steps, you watch the videos. You got to go to GoDaddy. You need a domain. Okay, like my domain is 7figure monk. Something simple, shorter the better. Like AI can help you figure out a good domain name. Like work with Dan is good, build with Dan, things like that. AI can help you do that. The shorter the better. It's just easier for people, something that's easy for people to say and remember. And then your payment gateways, like PayPal, Stripe, Square, shows you how to attach them. And yeah, and then you just got to connect your system. Okay, so it's going to show you, you just watch these videos, and basically a lot of the stuff you're doing is just copying and pasting. Okay, and then once you're finished, it's going to look like this. And then you just got to test it. It shows you how. You put your email in, make sure everything's working, make sure you're getting emails, make sure all your links work correctly. Okay, and then you're ready to go. You only have to set it up one time. You make it once, and then it's working for you forever, 24/7. Okay, this is how you make money in your sleep, because these pages are out there working for you 24/7 every single day. Okay, so that's the program. And now let me show you inside of our community. We got 59,000 people in our community. So you just go here, you can introduce yourself, right? Introduce yourself, you can post whatever you want to post. And let's go to see the win section. Okay, let's see proof that people are making money with this program by reselling the programs and whatever else. So look, $900. So he had a $900 sale. Ellis, he had a $900 sale. Okay, so, oh wait, one of his signups, one of the persons that joined this business, she had a sale. So one of his customers had her first sale of 900. Okay, so that's cool. So Jennifer, she made $600. I'm in awe of how good God is. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so she made $600. There you go. So let's see another one. Okay, 1,700 in 2 days for Jesse Ray. $1,700 in 2 days. So that's what's possible with this business. Of course, results are based on your effort. I'm just showing you what's possible, because we're just following the same blueprint. Most of us, we just post content and go live and attract customers. Love $900 days for Renee. She made 900. Okay, so you can see the proof. And if you go into the classroom, you can see, like, once you get started, go here, getting started and accessing your program. Go there so you can know clearly exactly how everything works, the community, the program, everything. Okay, so, and there we go. And you have all these bonus trainings. Like, you got all these bonus trainings you can watch. Like, we have live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. If you can't attend the live call, you can watch the replay. We got mindset trainings. We got a lot of stuff, social media training, content vault. Okay, a lot of different trainings here. And then the calendar shows you like what's going on. We have millionaire mentoring every Monday. Every Monday we have millionaire mentoring. We have free webinars. We have free webinars that you can invite people to. So we have one on Monday. Okay. Then we got these different things going on. So there's a live calls. And like I said, with this business, all you got to do is, post 3 pieces of content a day, go live. That's basically what we teach. You can also copy and paste free ads. We also teach that. So as you can see, like for my YouTube page, I promote this business. Basically, like when it comes to creating content, okay, you want to create, like you can do videos, you can do short videos, long videos, you can do audio content, you can do written content. Now, most of us, we do short form videos. Like one video can be a 7-second video with words on the screen. I do this myself. One video can be like, you're just giving a shout out to like one of the wins in the community. You can be like, hey, shout out to Renee. She made $900 by following our blueprint. So if you want to learn more about what we're doing to make money online, comment ready and I'll share the details with you. That's another one. So one 7-second video, one could be like a testimonial. The third could be you just sharing your story and creating curiosity, like sharing your story, tell people why you're doing what you're doing. Like I started my online business because my company cut my pay in half. Now I'm learning the skills to have $600, $900, and $1,400 days, which is true. That's what you're doing. You're learning how to make money from your phone. You're learning how to build an online business. You're learning how to have $600, $900, and $1,400 days, which is true, and which I've had these days. And then so you can say, yeah, I started my online business because why? Tell people why. Tell people your story. Okay. Like my name is Dan. Like here we go. I started my online business because my company cut my pay in half. And now I'm learning the skills to make $600, $900, and $1,400 or more from my phone with a done-for-you online business. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So if you want to learn more about this business, just comment ready and I'll share the details. Something like that. I'm just sharing my story. I'm telling people who I am, creating a little curiosity. Then you can tell people what you love about it. Like, I love that you don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message strangers. You don't have to bother your friends and family. It's fully automated so you can make money in your sleep and you get to keep 100% profits. So if you want to learn more about what I'm doing to make money from my phone, comment ready and I'll share the details with you. So when I say comment ready, that's the CTA. I'm telling people what to do next. Every time they comment ready, I just say, please visit my website. Please go to the link in my bio for the details. Okay. That's pretty much it. So one 7-second video, one testimonial, one video of you sharing your story and creating curiosity. And the 4th video can be maybe just about a value post. Nothing to do with your business, just giving people some mindset tips, marketing tips. You can go through some training in the program in the community and talk about what you learned from there. So just giving people value, nothing about your business. Okay. So that's examples of how to create content. Now I create long form videos that are like, over 10 minutes. And then I create short videos that are less than a minute generally. Okay. And then I go live. I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok and my lives are recorded. And then I do like posts like this. I'll do written posts with images and stuff. Okay, these are just value posts. So I'll do posts like this, right? This value, right? And that's about it. So I hope that gives you some ideas of like how this business works and how to post content. And we teach you how to do everything step by step, like how to create amazing content, how to go live. And we're doing a 90-day run right now. So we're teaching you how to make 30K in the next 90 days. So imagine if you make 30K in the next 90 days, how cool would that be? Right? So make sure you like this, share this video with somebody that needs it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right. And go to 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the bio. Check it out. And otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day and God bless.